Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Zenith Bank account online quick and easy using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to log into Zenith Bank account in order to access your transactions, send and receive payments, or simply check your balance, then keep watching the video till the end. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.zenithbank.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Zenith Bank. Click on the Internet Banking button at the top left corner, which should bring up an expanded menu. Select the area from where you'd like to log in. If you'd like to log into your personal account, select personal. And similarly, if you'd like to log into your corporate account, click on corporate. Let me click on the personal option in today's video. This will open up a new tab. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login area for your Zenith Bank account. From the drop down, go ahead and select how you'd like to log in today. You can either use the PIN and token option or password. If you choose the PIN and token option, then you'll need to type in your account number and your PIN and token in order to log in. But if you'd like to choose password, then you'll need to type in your account number and your password to log in. Start off by entering your account number into the first text box that appears on the display. Now head over to the password text field and type in the password for your account. Make sure to type in your credentials correct while logging into your account if you'd like to log in without any kind of a delay. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. After filling in all the details into the text boxes, click on the login button, and soon after you do that, in just a few seconds, you'll be logged into your Zenith online banking account in few simple steps. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.